Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to add a payment option to Google Forms. Perfect if you are collecting payments for events, orders or digital products. Let's get started. First of all, go to forms.google.com. Click the blank form option. Add your questions like name, email. Click plus icon for add new questions, email, then product selection, etc. Use use multiple choice or drop downs for paid options. Once your form is ready, we'll move on to adding the payment functionality. Google Forms doesn't support direct payments, but you can go to PayPal or Stripe and create a payment link. For PayPal, go to PayPal. .com and select and log into your PayPal account. Then click pay and get paid. PayPal button. And our link generator. This. Then generate a buy now or donation link from this option. For Stripe, go to stripe.com. Then sign into your account. Use Stripe payment links to create checkout link. Go to settings, then payments, then payment links. Now copy that link. We will add it into your form. Add a new section. Add the in title. Say payment. Paste your payment link with the text like click here to complete your payment via PayPal or Stripe. Optionally redirect users can submitting by using the confirmation message to remind them to pay. Google Forms will track responses. PayPal Stripe will show completed payments. To match from responses with payments, ask users to enter their email or transaction ID. Now you can manually or automatically verify who has paid and who hasn't. And that's how you add a payment option to Google Forms in 2025. It's quick, easy, and works great with PayPal or Stripe. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you want a tutorial using Google Sheets automation. Thanks for watching. See you in the next time.